I'm Lisa from Looped and Knotted, and today we're talking about a tiny tool that makes a big difference, stitch markers. If you've ever lost your place in the pattern or accidentally added a stitch or three, stitch markers are here to save the day. Let me show you exactly how to use them and when you want to reach for one. Stitch markers are little tools that help you keep track of your stitches. There are fancy ones, colorful plastic ones, and even simple ones you can make from scrap yarn or paper clips. They all do the job. A few common times you'll want to use one: to mark the first stitch of a round, to track pattern repeats, to mark increase or decreases, or just to remind yourself where to stop or count. Let me show you how. Say you're working in the round and here's your first stitch. Simply insert the stitch marker through both loops after you make the stitch. Now when you come back around, you'll know exactly where the round began. Move the stitch marker up every time you start a new round to keep your place. Using stitch markers helps keep edges straight, your rounds even, and your sanity intact. And if you ever find yourself asking, wait, where am I? Stitch markers are the answer. That's it. Easy, right? Stitch markers are like little bookmarks for your crochet, and trust me, they're a beginner's best friend. If you learned something new, give this video a like and subscribe for more crochet tips. And don't forget, my free beginner crochet course walks you through all the basics step by step, including when and where to use markers. I'm so proud of you. Keep going.